Greetings and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border around your text in GIMP. In my last video, I showed you how to add text to an image in GIMP. So if you need to figure that out, go ahead and look at my last video. In this video, however, we're going to learn how to put an outline around your text to make it pop out a little bit. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're on the right layer that you want to edit. Make sure you have your text selection tool selected, and then go over here and just select the text that you want to put a border around. And then we're going to right click on that layer and we're going to click Alpha to Selection. And you see how it has created a little what we call marching ants moving around the text. Once we have our marching ants, we go over to Select menu and we click Grow. And now we're going to grow this selection by about 11 pixels and click OK. And there you see that the marching ants have grown around the text. Now, what we need to do is we need to fill this with some color. So we're going to come over here and select our bucket tool. And black is the color I want to use, and make sure that that's the color you have there. Now, to make this a little easier to do, our view is only at 25% right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bigger, up to 100%. And we go to our text selection. Here it is. And I'm going to take my bucket and I'm just going to fill that area. And it filled it all the way across, but these parts in here I need to go ahead and fill in with my black because that will be excluded. Right there, right there, and that's good. Okay, we've outlined our text and we've made it black. If you want to make the marching ants go away, just go to Select, None, and then the marching ants will go away. Now, you just take your file and save it. You can save it as an XCF file if you want to keep all your layers in your work to continue to make edits to later. Or you can go to Export and Export As. And when you get that menu, here it is going to try to save it as a PNG image, but I'd rather have it as a JPEG, I think. So I'm going to go over here and select a different file type extension. I'm going to look for JPEG, and whoops, where is it? Oh, that's funny, I don't see JPEG. Well, that's okay. Another option you have is you can just go there, come back a little bit, and type in the file extension manually. Then click Export. Now, when you get your export menu, if you're going to save it to the web, I usually recommend bringing down the quality a little bit. There's just no sense in having these super high quality giant files to try to upload to the internet. And then just click Export. And I believe we exported it to our desktop. Let's go and take a look. So there's the XCF file. And here's the chili ad that we just exported in JPEG format. Let's open it and look. And that looks terrific. And that is how you put an outline around your text using GIMP. Thank you for viewing. By the way, if you enjoyed this video and found this information useful, please be sure to like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much.